Assalamu alaikum ya shabab. Today I am going to explain how to connect 14 of the Arabic alphabet. This is half of the Arabic alphabet, which is 20, which includes 28 letters. These are the letters that we are learning how to connect today, 14 of them. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Val, Ra, Zai, Noon, Wow, Yeah. And the reason I choose these letters first because most of them are the beginning of the Arabic alphabet, and we have a group of letters that are shaded in green, 6 letters, that do not connect after, never connects to the letter that come after them. And so these are Alif, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zai, Wow. The rest, they connect after. And of course, all of the letters are connectable before to the letters that come before them. Now, Noon, Waya, they can be attached to this group, Ba, Ta, Tha, because they are very similar when they are connected at the beginning and in the middle of the word. So this is why this could be also a group, as we will see. Our first group is Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. As you can see, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. And we will learn how each letter is written at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Now, and then we will have some real words as a practice in the next slide. So Alif actually is the first letter of the alphabet. Also, it's the first letter of the group, the 6 letters that do not connect after. So with Alif, here it is, standing individual. When it is connected in a word, here it is. And then you start over, whether you are in the middle in the word or you are starting a new word. So if you are in the middle, the syllable stops here and then you start over. We will see in examples, as I said. When it comes to Ba, here it is. So here is Ba in the middle. Sorry, Ba at the beginning, and this is Ba in the middle, and this is Ba in the end. So I call this a tooth. So in the middle, it's just this one. You do not add another one to Ba. That's it. You start another letter after that. And the same thing here in the middle. But when it comes in the end, it sort of retain the whole shape like these two. All right. And the same thing applies to Ta. And again, we will see in some examples. And one thing about these letters, they are similar when it comes to the skeleton, but dots play a very important role in determining the pronunciation of these letters. So 1 dot below, it means this letter is a Ba. 2 dots above means this letter is a Ta. Now, if we have 3 above, like that, Fa, right? So they look the same if the dots do not exist, but when the dots are there, now you know which letter is which. All right? Okay. So here is my letters. Let's have some practice for words that connect, that are formed of these 4 letters. All right? So we have 4 words. So we have here Alif, Ba. Tamam. So we know that Alif does not connect. So start over here. And then we have our Ba. We have a word. Ab means father. Ab. Now the second word, Ba, Alif, Ba. So we have our Ba at the beginning, and we know Alif does not connect after, but it connects before. So we will go like this. So here is our ba, alif, and then here is ba. And this word is bab, means a door, door. Now, when it comes to tha, alif, ba, ta, here it is. We know tha, alif, alif again does not connect after, so we stop there. And then here is ba at the beginning. It's at the beginning. It's not the beginning of the word, but it's the beginning of a syllable after it came after a letter that does not connect. Then remember when it comes in the end, so we have the whole shape. ثابت, ثابت. It means staying still or firm, ثابت. Here it is. So we have ثا, ba, ta. So again, ثا, and let's have different color this time. ثا, and then ba, and then ثا. ثبت, ثبت, ثبت. It's from the same root. It means staying still, or he stopped moving. All right. Now, our next group of letter, and this come from the end, noon wa ya. And I'm explaining these now because, as I said, they are very similar to ba, ta, tha when they come at the beginning and at the end of the word. So let's see. So here is my noon at the beginning. Let's have a thicker font. Noon at the beginning, like ba, ta, and tha. Noon in the middle. Now, the difference here, noon comes below the line. It's like half circle below the line. Remember ba, ta, tha, they were on the line, right? So this one here is different in the end. Now, when it comes to ya, it's a little bit curvy. So let's do ya here at the beginning. Again, two dots below, that's a ya. And then two dots below, this is in the middle. And then when it comes in the end, here it is. The complete letter is below the line. Yeah. And here is yeah when it comes separate. It happens that sometimes it comes at the end of the word after a letter that does not connect, as we'll see in the exam. So here is yeah standing alone. Again, two dots. All right. See, here are my examples. So the first word, ba, noon, ta. Here is my ba. Here is my noon. And here is my ta in the end. Bint. Bint means a girl. And then we have ba, ya, ta. Here is my ba. And then ya. So just as simple as that, yeah. And then ta. As you can see, bait means a house or home. Bait. And then nabata, noon, ba, alif ta means plants. So here is my noon. And then ba, and then alif, naba, and then ta, and then alif. Alif does not connect as we learned. and then ta, 2 dots, nabatat. All right. Now, I hope you are having a notebook and a pen or a pencil, and you are trying to imitate what you are seeing. Practice makes perfect. Then noon ba'iya. Here is my noon. Here is my ba. And remember, ya comes from here. So here it is. We have, yeah, Nabi means a prophet. Now, here is noon alif ya. So we know na. And then alif. And then here is my ya. Remember, alif does not connect. So we'll have it like that. So bint, a girl. Nai means actually a flute. It's a type of Arabic musical instrument. Nai. All right. Now let's introduce Jim, Ha, Kha. So Jim at the beginning, this is how Jim stands alone. Jim. Here it is at the beginning. So instead of going down, we go straight. In the middle, we imagine we finished the letter before and we do this little thing to stand, and this is, here it is. And here it is in the end. A Jim. Oh, should put the dot below right there. And here it is. Jim. Ja. Then here is Ha. No dots whatsoever. Ha. And some English speakers mixed Ha with Ha. So this is actually a very special letter in Arabic. It has a different pronunciation than Ha. It's very close, but it is different. So this one is Ha. Here it is at the beginning. Here it is in the middle. Ha. And here it is in the end. No dots whatsoever. It means Ha. Now with the last one. Kha. Standing alone. At the beginning. Kha. In the middle. Kha. And then in the end. Kha. All right. Here are some practice words. So the first one is alif kha. Here is my alif. Here is my kha. Akh means a brother. Brother. Akh. Then alif kha ta. Ukht, sister. Alif kha ta. Ukht. And then Hajj, Ha Jim means pilgrimage. Ha Jim, Hajj. And from the same root, Ha Jim, Alif Jim, Hujjaj. Here it is. Ha Jim, the Jim dot. Alif Hujjaj. And then Jim in the end. Hujjaj. Now the last one is Ha Ba Ya Habibi, or honey, lover. So it is Ha Ba Yeah in the middle, remember? Just like ba, ta, tha, habib. And then ba, and then yeah in the end. Here it is. It goes below. Habibi. Here it is one more time. Habib. What? For ba, two dots for ya, one for ya, one. Habibi. Tamam. Again, I hope you are holding a pencil or a pen and practicing. Now, let's do dal, dhal. Dal, dhal actually are one of the letters, part of the group letters that do not connect after. All right? So we'll have only two positions because there is no in the middle, there is no in the beginning. It's either standing separate or in the end. So here is dal, and here it is when connected to a letter before. The. Oh, that's dal. So we have to erase, no dots. The one that has the dot is the. So this is dal. This one is dhal with the dot. The, here it is. The, all right? And one common mistake that people forget that this group never connects after, but they connect to many letters before, right? They are connectable before. So sometimes they forget, and when there is a ba or ta before dal or dal, they just stop and start over with that. So no, it is if the letter before them is connectable after, then they are normally connected. Let's see in the examples that we have today. So we have 5 examples. So here is dal ba. Here is my dal. It does not connect before. So we'll just write that like that. Dub, a bear, the animal, a bear. And then we have jim, ya, dal. Dal here is in the middle. So here's jim in the end. It is connectable. Sorry, jim in the beginning. And then here is my ya in the middle. Just a tooth and 2 dots below. And here is dal. Jayid. It should be a little bit higher, right? Here it is one more time. Jayid. Means good. Jayid. Good. And then with ba, dal, noon, dal here is in the middle. So it doesn't matter where it comes, but it never connects after. But it is connectable before here. So here is ba, and here is dal, and here is noon. Badan means a body, body. So here it is, badan. Ba, here is my noon. Now, ذال, ba, alif, ba, dhubab or flies, the insects. Here is my dha, here is my ba, dhubab. Here is my alif, here is my ba. Dhubab. Here it is one more time. Dhubab. Then the last one in this group is kha, dhal, khudh or take. Here is my kha, and here is my dhal, khudh, take. Here it is one more time. Khudh. I hope you are practicing. Now, here's a group. The next group is Ra was Zai. And this is also, these two letters also do not connect after. So we have Ra, and here it is, Ra, when it comes connected to a connectable letter before. No dots. The one with the dots is Za, and here it is, Za. And like Dal wa Dal, the ones before, these ones go below the line. Let's look at these two letters in words. So we have these letters. So we have Jim, Ra, Dal. Now, remember Ra now with Dal do not connect after. So here it is, Jim. Here is my Ra. Jurd. Jurd actually means a rat. Jurd. Here it is one more time. You can see Jurd are very similar, but here it is, Dal above, Ra is a little bit below the line. Now let's see Radhav. This means light rain, light rain. So here it is, Ra. All of these letters do not connect after. So we do not have to connect any letters. So they just stand together as a word. Radhav. One more time. Light rain. Radhav. All right. And the same thing, aruz or rice. Alif, Ra, Zai. They do not. Here it is. Alif, Ra. Alif should be actually above the line. Let's do it here. There it is. Aruz or rice. Then we have khubz. Now, yeah, these are connectable. So here it is, kha with a dot here above. And then ba. Khubz means bread. Then ra. Asif, zay. Khubz. And then zurar, a button. Again, all of the letters do not connect together. Zurar. Now let's do our last letter for today, which is wow. And here are some of the examples. So wow, actually, some of the writers find a little bit hard. So here it is. We start like that. Circle, and then we'll go below. Wow. Here it is. When it is connected, this is how we connect it. Wow. Wow. All right. Now let's see the words. Wow, ra, dal. Word. So word is actually a flower or flowers. Comes flowers. Here is my wow. It does not connect after. So this is the last letter in the group of letters that do not connect after. So we have alif, dal, val, ra, zai, wow. Here they are. Alif, dal, val, ra, zai, wow. These letters never connect after. These six only. And then here it is. Word, flower, wow, ra, dal, and this is dal. Now, yanwi or intend to do something. Here it is. Maya, noon, dot, wow, and then yeah. It is yeah in the end separated. Yanwi. One more time the whole word. Yanwi. And then the last one, Jim, ya, ba, wow, ta, ya, Djibouti, a name of a country. Here it is. Ja, ya, باء واو تاء with two dots, and then yeah, Djibouti. Here it is, the whole word. Right, that was the last slide of today. So today we explained 14 letters of the Arabic alphabet, and this is the first part of a two-part sequence to explain how all of the Arabic alphabet are connected into words. Today we explained 14. The next video will explain the other 14. So until then, shukran, مع السلامة.